Hello, it's Rachel. Today I'm working in my art journal and I've chosen to use Dylusions paint. I've selected two different colours. These are Calypso Teal and Fresh Lime, and I'm applying them with a paintbrush to a pre-gessoed page. After I've added these two colours, I select a third colour. This is a golden fluid acrylic in dioxazine purple. Whilst the paint is still wet, I'm using a Holtz stencil with a baby wipe to remove the paint and reveal the page below it. Now I'm going to add some stamping to my page. This is a crackle background stamp by Crafty Individuals. I'm stamping this in archival ink in the colour Deep Purple, and I'm just applying it over the purple areas of the page. For the central image on my page, I've chosen a text stamp. This is by Heidi Swap, and I'm stamping it in archival ink in jet black. After I've done this, I choose another stamp that's also going to be part of the central image, and that is from an autumn leaves stamp set. After I've stamped both images, I'm taking a poscar paint pen to go over them and define them. This is going to sharpen the ink, and as you can see where it's misstamped in some places, it's going to fill in those details. I also take a white poscar paint pen to the barcode, and where the ink has smudged somewhat, I use the poscar paint pen to try and correct this. This is a paper stack by 7 Gypsies called Paddington. I've selected a sheet that has clock images and cut out circles using some Spellbinders dies. I'm going to apply these to my page using some soft gel medium. To add colour over the circles that I've just added, I'm going to use some Prima water-soluble pastels. I'm starting here with some magenta, and then I blend this in with my finger before adding some yellow-orange also. When I've finished adding colour to the circles, off camera I use a baby wipe to wipe away some of the colour to reveal a highlight on each of them. To frame my piece, I've chosen to add some charcoal around the edges of my page. This particular one is a peelable charcoal by General. To finish my page, I've decided to add some more stamping. I begin here with a script stamp by Kaisercraft, and I'm stamping this using archival ink in deep purple, and then I switch to my itty bitty background stamps, using 2 of the stamps out of that set rather than the one I usually select, and I'm stamping those using archival ink in jet black. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, there is a link to the product list in the video description, as well as a link to my Facebook challenge group and the rest of my social media sites.